My name is John Sanfilippo, and I'll be presenting Foster Care Eligibility Updates at the Autumn Institute. And I'm excited about this opportunity as participants attending this workshop should receive important policy updates on how the state of California and county welfare departments developed and implemented new policies as it relates to FFPSA, the Family First Prevention Services Act. And the updates will also highlight critical fiscal and funding aspects of FFPSA for child welfare agencies in the state of California. And last, participants will hear about how the federal Title IV reviews are conducted here in California. Participants will comprehend or learn about how important this new federal legislation is in California as it pertains to child welfare, and the workshop will also provide participants with an opportunity to ask questions and to hear more about these policy changes associated with FFPSA and the Title IV reviews.